She called me the real life womanizer. Up in her belly when she hold me tight. Watching her nothing like firefighter. Put her to sleep like tranquilizer. Hey, she's calling me.
Back to my channel. So I'm just using some black Got2b gel. I'm about to install a body wave wig because I haven't worn a body wave wig since I've been here. I'm gonna have all the links down below. I also have to show you the different laces when it comes to these wigs. This wig is the LY lace. It is from Alipearl hair. I will have all the links down below. I'm gonna show you guys a little comparison between the laces.
That's on my mind lately. Been working OT, don't got no time lately. Lot of shit that's on your mind lately, yeah. Talk to me, you know you my baby, yeah. My baby. I know. Been a long time coming, I know. Yeah, you got goals. Look at you now, baby girl, I see the growth, yeah, yeah. Wildin'. Love the way that you style it together, we vibing. Every time we link up, it's priceless, She don't like to waste no time. Oh, no, 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 no. We don't like to waste no time. Tonight, it's all mine. Tonight, it's alright. Got you rolling like alright. Got you going, girl, you so bright. It's gonna be a long night, like all the other ones. It's gonna be a long flight back when I really should've known that it wasn't.
This one is HD, this is regular, this is LY. Today we're gonna be installing this one. This is like an in-between. It's more durable just because the HD lace blends in so well. This one is a little bit thicker than the HD lace, but it will make your wig last longer. The HD lace tends to rip easily, and this one is just too thick and too dark. But this one, since it has like a transparent light tint, you could always go in and add your foundation color or a little bit darker than your foundation just to cancel out that, and that will allow it to match your skin perfectly. But these are the different laces that I have today to show you guys. I'm going to show you me installing the LY lace, and I'm gonna be using glue, and it's so hot here that I recommend either using 2 layers of glue or 1 layer, because I tried doing 3 and you guys are gonna see what happened. So yeah, these are the laces, and let's get right into this video. So I'm just gonna use some black Got2b gel and brush that into my hairline. I'm gonna be applying glue just because I'm in Grenada and it's very hot here. So I want to test out the glue. I have not put glue on my hair in a very long time. So I'm going to just be doing a quick ball cap method. I'm going to spray some Got2b spray. And then I'm going to just blow this on warm air and then cool air. Okay. So your hairline should be smooth. Just because if your hairline is not smooth, your wig is going to pull off your edges. Actually, I don't even feel like the ball cap method protects your edges. I feel like it just helps the lace to look more natural. I'm going to be using this brown wig cap. Okay, like that. I'm going to cut some holes in the ear tab area. This is good enough for me. My wig cap is old, so it's just acting ugly, but oh well. I'm going to just spray down my whole hairline using the Got2b spray. So now that the ball cap thing is like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my glue around my hairline area. I just feel like that makes the cap stay down even more. I'm gonna be using the Erickaj glue. I didn't even wipe my skin off with alcohol, but that's very important. Make sure you wipe down your skin before you even start this. I don't know what I was thinking. My mind is all over the place. I'm using my Erickaj glue today. It's almost done, so I'm gonna just finish it with this install. And I use it in conjunction with this. And to remove the glue, I like to spray my hairline with some oil spray, oil sheen, like literally get it saturated, and then I use the alcohol, and that breaks it down and makes sure that it's not sticky onto your hair. I'll just spray some adhesive skin guard on my hair. Then I'm gonna put one little layer of the glue onto my hairline. I need a paper towel. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess cap. I'm gonna tie it in the back. So for the front, what you want to do is take a little bit of alcohol and gently wipe your skin. If your skin has any oils, it's going to lift up. Like, it's gonna make the glue lift up, because what I told you before, how I remove my wigs is with oil. So you don't want to remove you don't want your wig to come undone. So just make sure you're cleaning the skin very well so it can dry down all of the oils. And now make sure that the skin is dry, and you're going to spray some of your skin guard on the area around your forehead. You can also just spray it on here on a piece of cotton thing, and then just dab it in on your forehead. This will help your wig to stay down longer, and it's going to also help you not have an allergic reaction to the glue if you were to have an allergic reaction to the glue. I'm gonna just test dry the wig just to see how it's laying around my hairline. I did previously cut off the lace on this, so it's already pre-cut to my hairline, but I did not glue this wig down before. So I'm gonna stick the wig down like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the lace and make sure everything is looking good before I stick it down.
There's something more.
DJ Smith, bring the beat back.
Smith's Beats.
It's not your body I want. There's something more. Bigger than I think on your backside. Do everything I want. I need that something, and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something you got. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana. Yeah. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana. Yeah. If you see my love, no be small, would you love me back? If I go out on my way in this life, would you bring it back? Oh no. To the moon, would you bring me back? Trouble come my way any day, would you have my back? I'll take you America, go down to Nigeria. Wifey material every time that I see ya. I'll show you off, I can never lie like that. What we got can never die like that. You know your body I want. There's something more. Bigger than I think on your backside, do everything I want. I need that something, and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something you got. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana. Yeah. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana. Yeah. I'm on a me be the general dollar. I'm on a me be the bad man lover. Never ever seen other man who can cover all of your dreams and your subsequent